MRO procurement is responsible for keeping your plants running. Yet most organizations are still managing it reactively, expensively, and in silos. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through 7 strategies that change that. Most asset-intensive organizations are sitting on warehouses full of parts that will never move, while simultaneously scrambling to buy critical spares at premium prices when something breaks. The numbers are staggering. The first step is seeing where your money actually goes. Spend analysis in MRO means consolidating purchase data across sites, identifying duplicate supplier relationships, and using volume leverage to negotiate better contracts. Organizations that pool MRO procurement cut inventory costs by over 20%. Every downstream process, procurement, maintenance, inventory, runs on master data. Fragmented, dirty data creates duplicate orders, missed reorder points, and compliance failures. A multi-domain MDM strategy for MRO is not optional. It is the foundation. Modern AI agents can now assess part criticality, classify inventory by movement type, flag obsolete stock, and forecast demand autonomously. The result is leaner warehouses and fewer emergency purchases. Verdantis MRO360 is built specifically for this. An e-procurement platform closes the loop from part identification to payment. Centralized catalogs prevent maverick buying. Automated approval workflows keep critical spares on a fast track. Three-way invoice matching eliminates manual checks and supplier disputes. Predictive maintenance doesn't just reduce downtime. It transforms how procurement works. IoT sensors detect anomalies. AI models forecast failures weeks in advance. The system auto-generates a purchase requisition before anyone has to ask. Procurement shifts from firefighting to planning. Buying the cheapest part is rarely the cheapest decision. TCO-based sourcing factors in failure rates, downtime costs, and lifecycle performance. A bearing that costs twice as much but lasts 6 times longer slashes your real annual spend by over 80%. The final frontier is cognitive procurement. AI assistants that continuously monitor supplier contracts, flag cost-saving opportunities, and keep you compliant across every vendor relationship. Contract intelligence is no longer a luxury. It is a competitive necessity. 7 strategies. 1 goal. Transform MRO from a cost center into a competitive advantage. The organizations that get there are those that connect their data, automate their workflows, and plan instead of react. To explore how Verdantis helps asset-intensive organizations modernize their MRO operations, from master data to inventory intelligence, visit verdantis.com.